Hello everybody, my name is Time Sentry of the Brony Brothers and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making an applesauce cake. I can't believe it took me this long to make a video about making cakes. Always wanted to say that. Today the ingredients are some baking soda, grounded cloves, grounded cinnamon, sugar, a homemade applesauce of my very own because I accidentally left some apple peel in it, some flour, and some softened butter. Butter that than me. Okay, maybe too many butter jokes. So the first thing we need to know is that you have to set your thermostat to this temperature or before you start baking. I know that seems weird, but it's fine. We're making a cake. Now let's get down to business. Over here at my cooking bowl, we're gonna be using this. Now let's pop this. Excuse me, Mr. Bowl. Ice tray. Come on out. Don't be shy. Yeah! And you don't add all the ingredients to the bowl, because that'd be silly. First, we take the applesauce and put it over here, and then take the softened butter. Still not doing any puns. It's about butter. Was that a pun? I don't think so. And we put them in. Thumbs away. Now the applesauce. Now we have that out of the way. Let's put this in and put it at 1. Not trying to go fast. This may take a while. Look at it go. Looks like apple chunks. Also, I forgot to mention, you're gonna need this. When it gets on the sides, it'll be hard to bake. Next, we'll add sugar, so put this on pause, lifted it, thumbs away. Look at it get absorbed. You know, the sugar almost looks like applesauce itself. Well, moment's over. Back to the baking. You know, I chose today because today's Valentine's Day. So, happy Valentine's, everyone. This is a good, delicious recipe you should make for the person you love. Okay, now that we're almost done, we're going to be adding some flour. So, you got your flour. Get it started. And start tipping some over. Very slowly. when it becomes batter, it's going to look a lot different the next time. Alrighty, now we are almost done. Now we add the baking soda.
Did you grease the pan?
In a minute, Mother. Now, let's add the spices to this powdery goodness and put the final touches. While this is working, I'm gonna go grease the pan. And that's how you do it. Now, all we need to do now is get it to that dish pan and then wait. Where did my bowl go? Where'd it go? Bowl? Scooby Bowl! Where are you? Now we're almost done. Just need to pop this puppy open. Slide it into place. And then set it for 40 minutes. That'll take forever. Mia's idea. Time travel! That was weird. But right side is, we're in the future. 45 minutes ahead. And here's actually the result. Voila! Everyone's been getting a slice. Just couldn't get enough. Delicious. One second. That is really good. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Here's the recipe. So, AS is for applesauce. Don't be shy, everyone. Take a Snapchat. Screenshot. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, I'm Time Sentry of the Brony Brothers. And I will see you in the next video. Oh. Happy Valentine's Day and enjoy Sonic the Hedgehog movie. This is really making me feel better.